Let's get reading. Let me share my screen. So, I don't want to share my screen yet. Today, we are learning that when you see an AY at the end of a word, it's going to say A, just like the word say, or day, play, may, clay, pray. When you hear, it could be spelled with an EY depending on which word pray you're thinking about. But AY is definitely the most common way to spell the A sound at the end. So for reading is significantly easier than spelling, my friends. If you just came over from spelling class, you had to generate that knowledge to spell the word correctly. You had to generate how to spell the A sound at the end in your mind. For reading class now, you just have to recognize. I shouldn't say just because it's still not easy, but it's easier than having to come up with it. Recognizing something is easier than having to generate that material or that information on your own. So, welcome to reading class. When you see AY, it says A, and it's only going to be used at the end of words. You're not going to see AY in the beginning or middle. You'll see AI there in the beginning and middle, or just a single A. AY is saved for the end of words. Let me show you what I mean. Oh, wait. Good example, Druitt. Thank you. Okay, so here are some nonsense words which we use so that you can know that you can approach any word, whether you've seen it before or not, if you have the skills. And I am teaching you the skills, how to read these words right now. So to mark this word, we have a short A that says ah right here. We know that because there are two consonants after it. AY, we just learned, says A. Why? It follows the tap 2 rule. That Y is another vowel. Y is a vowel if it's not the first letter. And so since that A has another vowel, 1 or 2 doors down, it gets to say its name and say A. So the sounds are D, A, P, A, dape, dape. Just for fun, what would that word say if it had only one P? Yes, if it had only one P, the A would now say A because now it has a vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots. So both of those A's would say A. Dape. They would just be spelled differently. Notice this one doesn't need an AY. It doesn't need an AI. Just a single A right here works just fine because there's another vowel 1 or 2 doors down. Dape. Okay, try yours over here without me. So this A is going to say ah. It's short sound because there are 2 consonants after it. There's not a vowel there or there. There is a vowel after this A in the next 1 or 2 spots, so it's going to say A. And we are learning in this class to recognize, we're teaching our subconscious that when you see an AY, it says A. So you can go ahead and underline that AY vowel team. Now our sounds are T, A, F, A, taffy, taffy. Next, let's try number 2. Together, so this AI is going to say A because of the tap 2 rule. This AY is going to say A because of the tap 2 rule. That A has another vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots in both of those situations, just like this one did up here when you had only one P. That's why that could say A, and that's why that could say A. Our brain is learning to recognize AI as a unit that says A and AY as a unit that says A. It's also learning that you're going to see this one in the beginning and middle of words. You're going to see this one at the end of words. putting a dot underneath each sound. T, a, n, d, a. That is teaching our brain that we know every single sound in the word and the order that it goes. So when we go to blend those sounds, we don't have to wonder what that vowel is going to say. We already know, and we know in what order those sounds come. Then it's just a matter of blending nice and slow and making sure that those sounds all say in the right order. Train day. Train day. That one might have been a little on the easy side because you recognize it as a compound word in the with two real words right there. But now you know why it says what it does. Try yours over here. Don't let a T slip in after that S. Make sure the S goes right into the A sound. So we know that AI says A in the beginning and middle of words. AY says A at the end. Our sounds are P, A, N, S, A. Blending those sounds. Prain, say. Make sure that you get this N also. N's tend to be sneaky. Prain, say. Prain, say. Yeah? So far so good? You've never read prain, say before in your life, but I bet you read it either right on or very, very close for your first attempt. Well done. Number 3. What is this A going to say? It'll say ah, because there are 2 consonants after it. What is this A going to say? It'll say A, because it's part of the A-Y vowel team. Our sounds are P, O, A, S, A. So now you know why these 2 A's in the same word say 2 different things. See, it's all beginning to make sense in your brain. You can have 3 words. Down here we're going to have three A's, I should say, in the same word that could say 3 different things easily. But you don't have to wonder or guess. You're going to apply your intellect and your knowledge to figure it out, just like a puzzle. So here we have place. Place. So what would your word say over here? So we know that this A is going to make it short sound and say ah, because there are 2 consonants after it. This A has a vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots, so it is going to say A. Plus, our subconscious is learning to recognize the AY grapheme or vowel team says A, and that we will always see it at the end of words. So our sounds are F, A, A. These 2 M's only get 1 dot because we dot sounds, not letters. We read sounds, not letters. The letters only spell the sounds. Sounds is the most important thing when you're reading and spelling, not letters. Frame. Frame. Now out of these 3, how many did you get completely correct on your own without me? 1, 2, or 3, or 0 of them. Would you put that number in the Q&A for me so I can see how we're doing? How many did you get? That's a lot of 3s. I have a lot of brilliant students and several 2s. Well done. No 0s and no 1s. You guys are stellar. Nice. Okay. Why don't we do both number 4s then without me? Try this one. AI says A, AY says A. So we have sh, A, s, A. Shame, say. Shame, say. Try number 4. Grab that R. This AI says A, this AY says A. This is how you'll see it at the beginning and middle. This is how you'll see the A sound spelled at the end. So we have chain, pray, chain pray, chain pray. Out of shame say and chain pray, how many did you get without me? 1 or 2 or 0. Yay. Good. I think you guys are ready for some longer ones. If you want to request one of these, just put the number that you want in the Q&A. Let's go for it. You guys must be feeling so good about your skills. This is beautiful. All right, any requests? We have a number 5. Okay. I'm going to let you try number 5 on your own, and then I'm going to come back after you and do it with you. Take your time. Okay. So this A is going to say ah. I didn't put that breve on there very well. This is a breve. Let me move my Q&A. This is what we use to represent a short vowel sound. This is a macron. This is what we use to represent a long vowel sound. This is a schwa symbol, what we use to represent the schwa sound, which is a. So here we have it. A, short A. No, we don't. April. You're like, teacher, you got it wrong. Please correct me. I get it wrong sometimes too. So please correct me in the Q&A if I ever get it wrong. I need you to. I don't want everybody to be wondering what on earth I'm doing, okay? Nobody's perfect, especially me. So this A says A because of the 2 consonants after it. This A says A because there's a vowel after it. Why is a vowel if it's not the first letter? So we have f, a, d, a, n, a. Fur, fra, fram, frammed, framda, framdan, framdane, framdane, or framdane. However you put the accent on whatever syllable, it's fine. Sure. Short A is ah, big, wide, round mouth. Ah. Schwa sound is just a lazy, hanging jaw. Ah, Short A, ah. Schwa sound, Long sound, A. Okay, we had a request for number, it was 8. Let me just go look. Yeah, 8 was next. All right. Try number 8, and I'll come back and do it when you're done. MP, you're going to love our schwa lessons. It's super, super interesting. I think we have one coming up next. I'm going to give you a couple more seconds. I don't want to go too fast here. Okay, so this A is going to say A because of the tap 2 rule. This A and this A will both say A because of the tap 2 rule. There's a vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots. Our sounds are K, O, A, S, A, M, T, A. Successive blending, grabbing just one sound at a time. Kl, cla, class, classe, classame, classamed, classamter, classamtre, classamtre, or classamtre. However you put the accent, it's fine. There is a pattern for where accents go, but you don't get the word wrong if the accent is in a different place than how I say it. As long as the sounds are in the right order, you're brilliant. It's perfect. Classamtre. Don't forget that M. Close your lips right there. Classamtre. Okay, last one, number 4. Go for it. This is so fun, isn't it? Of course you got it right, purple iPhone. I love that. If you want to change your name, then I can call you by your actual name and congratulate you better. That's wonderful, though. Great news. We are doing number 4. Okay, so this AI is going to say A. That's how our brain is going to recognize the A sound in the middle and beginning of words. And we're learning to recognize AY as the spelling of the A sound at the end of words. When we say A in the middle without a consonant, without a vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots, that A says A. So our sounds are sh, A, t, A, b, A. Blending. Shay, shate, shata, shatab, shatabe, shatabe. Did you get that one? Yes or almost? Y or A? When I get a tutor, will they be able to help me with the workbook? Absolutely, Kimberly. That's what they teach from. Yes. Look at all the Y's. Several A's too. Don't you worry. You are not alone if you got an almost. Plus, almost is amazing. Look at all the sounds that you were able to read correctly. Well done. You guys, it must feel so good to be you. You just must walk around all day thinking, you know what? I love being me. I'm such a great reader and speller. I'm so great in so many areas. Enjoy being amazing. I will see you on Monday, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye, my friends.